One of the most important parts of designing a home is the layout. Whether your home is big or small, creating good flow and connection between spaces is crucial. We've toured a lot of open concept homes and spatially challenged apartments through the years, but some of them really stand out because they had some great ideas on how to both connect and delineate spaces in a clever or memorable way. So let's start small. This 650 square foot condo, designed by Bray, featured a show-stopping feature wall made out of wood slats. This wall was more than just pretty. It had a function. It acted as a divider in the open space, separating the office area from the living room. The beauty of it is that it didn't totally break the sight lines and allowed light to just flow through, which is really key in smaller spaces, but still did an excellent job at creating two very distinct rooms. This family home by Trish Johnston needed to be opened up to allow light to flow through from the front right to the back. To create zones while still connecting the spaces, she chose to design the cabinetry to coordinate but delineate each space. The living room features benches with storage, which connects to a built-in in the dining room that acts as a sideboard, which then connects to the kitchen cabinets. So by using the same color and door profile, they flow into each other while still feeling like distinct pieces of furniture. It's very clever. Now I just want to take a quick moment to thank our sponsor, LG. Trish and her husband Greg have been working on this cottage kitchen makeover for months, and they chose an entire suite of LG kitchen appliances.
I love the fridge that we picked for our renovation. It's a 24-inch, it's counter depth, which I always recommend when you're doing a kitchen renovation because it makes it feel more integrated with the kitchen, a little bit more built in. Ours has also a streamlined handle, so nothing is really proud of the cabinetry, which is very nice. It has adjustable shelves, it has a ton of storage. I'm really, really happy with it. The range has some super cool features. One of my favorites is that it has an air fryer in it. And it is a big one, so you can cook for a ton of people, which we are going to do when we have everybody over for dinner. Also, if I want to check to see how my chicken wings or my fries are doing, I just knock on the glass of the oven door twice and the light comes on. The dishwasher is crazy good. It has 4 arms instead of 2, so it's really getting your dishes super, super clean. It has tons of room in it, like you can get so many place settings in there. So after my dinner parties, my cleanup is a snap. When we decided to renovate our cottage kitchen, we wanted to make sure we had top quality appliances, and I wanted to make sure the appliances integrate well into the design of the kitchen. And the ones that we picked from LG truly do.
This renovation by Hilary Ramsay featured an extension to the home, which created 2 very distinct ceiling heights within the same open concept space. So instead of fighting to hide this detail, she embraced it and used an oversized pendant and a new counter height to play up that new ceiling height. The dining room in Brian Gluckstein's 2021 show house had no boundaries. I love how the dining room was situated in the middle of the home, connecting the kitchen and these multiple living spaces without any physical walls. The double height ceiling made it feel like a foyer, which could even be enjoyed from the hallway on the 2nd floor. I'm so used to seeing formal dining rooms being an enclosed space that only serve one purpose, so it was really refreshing to see a dining room placed in a high traffic area of the home, connecting both sides of the house and even the 2nd floor. So I really think the key here, though, was to have a round table. Square would never have worked. So when you're planning your next renovation, think about how the rooms connect as you move through your home. Whether you're trying to add more privacy or you're hoping to create a big open room, your home should flow as a cohesive whole and feel inviting in every space.